Now, let me carefully explain how to fix the issue when text-to-speech isn't working in CapCut on your mobile device, as you can see. First, you should always check your internet connection to see if Wi-Fi is working properly on your phone. If not, try switching to mobile data. If your Wi-Fi is not working, as you can see, try switching to mobile data instead. If that also doesn't work, let's explore further options together. Now, let's try restarting CapCut, as you can see. In most cases, a simple restart of CapCut helps resolve many issues effectively. In almost every problem, if that doesn't work, as you can see, try switching to a different language or even a different voice option. Now, let's explore how to switch to a different voice option. Some voices may be temporarily unavailable and might not work properly in CapCut, as you can see. In all regions, as you can see, try simply switching the language and also changing the voice. Most often, this resolves issues effectively. In many cases, you can simply try to restart CapCut and carefully check your internet connection or settings. Simply switch to mobile internet, and always remember to check your connection after work or right before starting work again. When you go to edit something, always remember to check your cache, as you may encounter unexpected issues if you don't. In CapCut, there's a cache that builds up both after and before your work. Just click to delete it, and that's all, as you can see. Thank you all for watching. Good luck, and goodbye now.